أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعه وولاه وسلم تسليما كثيرا. أما بعد, let's get into our lecture of today, which is about small deeds or easy to do deeds. They're not small, I don't want to call them small deeds, but easy to do deeds and enormous rewards from Allah Azza wa Jal. Of course the reward will be enormous. It's easy on us physically, but it is with Allah Azza wa Jal, it is a huge deal, huge difference. As an example, the hadith, before I say anything, you will know that we know a lot of things, but unfortunately we're not practicing it. That's why it is far from our head. But once we spoke about it, yeah, I know that. I know you know that, but have you done it? That proves the point that when we ask Allah for guidance, we are not just asking Him to show us. Many people see the truth, but they still don't do it. They are distracted, they are controlled by their lust and desire, they are under the effect of other things, they are busy, they are worried, they are anxious, they are depressed, whatever the reason is. So not everybody, just because they are shown the truth or they're shown a good thing, they will end up doing it. Actually, majority of the people will not do it, even though they know the right thing. So you need the help of Allah Azza wa Jal to remind you, to remember Him. So now we talked about the adhan. Now you get ready for the salah. When you are doing the wudu, you do the wudu. Maybe somebody will say the wudu is not as an easy action. Maybe, okay, I agree with you. But what would be an easy action? What you say after the wudu. Just say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I bear witness that there is no one worthy of worship but Allah, and that Muhammad is His slave and messenger. Very simple. To say it after the wudu. Whoever does that, Rasulullah said, anyone who does the wudu and perfect it, means do wudu right, and then after he finished the wudu or she finishes the wudu, say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Very simple. فتحت له أبواب الجنة الثمانية يدخل من أيها شاء. يعني all the 8 gates of Jannah will be open for you to enter from whichever you wish يوم القيامة. So that is how important is that statement of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, to say that this is very, very important. MashaAllah Rabbil Alameen.